up, people? It's your boy Catloco out here again. Back at the junkyard looking at I think it's a 2000 GMC Jimmy. This is the diamond edition. Got a little diamond pattern. It's pretty nice. But this is what we came for today. A better look at it. It's pretty nice. With the sunroof. I kind of like this console right here for the shifter. And got the rear brakes. And you got the front brakes. Alright, so we back. So right now I got the two back calipers and then the whole front assembly. You don't need a rotor, but I just may feel like taking it off. So we got the front, the rear. I did not take this back plate because I would have to take that axle out, and that's too much work for like a $40 part. So yeah, we're not even gonna mess with the back plate. You can buy this brand new, pretty cheap. I wish I could take it off, but I can't. Because as you can see, it goes through the axle. You just got 4 bolts, and then you have this problem here. Get the front off. It's pretty simple with the right tools. I mean, all I brought was a hammer and then a ball joint separator, sockets and ratchet, and that's it. That's all you need. Maybe a pair of pliers to get the castle nut free. A little cotter pin. But yeah, man, it's beautiful out. Came to the junkyard to get my second set. I got 2 G-bodies, so we definitely wanted 2 sets. Down here is the Blazer. The black one right there. That's where I got the first set from. Sorry for the wind, it's windy. It might rain today, actually. But I got it from an 04 Blazer. I left the backing plates. Look at brand new with that. Put the front out. I got those yesterday. And I got the back calipers. I left the rotors. Man, this wind is fierce. This is another little thing people do is get the trays. The style tray for your last swap. And a random just got him a set. But I don't really plan on keeping mine in the engine bay. But I might pick them up anyway, but I don't think I need to do it today. Both of these trucks are 2-wheel drive. You can use the 4-wheel drive, I heard, but I think you gotta like reverse them, flip them, or flip them upside down. I am filthy. Anyway, it's nice out. It's your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe. share if you want. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. It's been a while since I shot a video, but this is what I'm working on today. With the crank, like I said, it's been plastic aged, all new bearings. I went with these King rods and mains. So for tonight, this is what we're going to be doing. I got my little filer, piston ring filer, that we're going to file down the rings with.